Every inspection tells a story, but finding the facts that are buried across dozens of photos takes time that reviewers don't have. AI analysis changes that. It reads every photo submitted in a Truepic Vision inspection and surfaces structured findings instantly, so reviewers can focus on decisions, not on hunting for information. Whether that's a tire and wheel claim, a home property underwriting inspection, or a high-value personal item, it's the same platform with configured fields for each use case. Let's go deeper on one. So let's see it in the platform. Here's a personal item inspection of a watch. Before I open a single photo, AI analysis has already done the reading. At the top of the inspection, I can see a summary with one warning alert and one watch identified. Out of the 5 photos submitted, AI analysis has extracted the manufacturer, model, case material, production era, document details, coverage limit, and more. This was all structured and sourced before a reviewer has opened a single photo. Each field comes with a confidence score and a plain language explanation of how AI reached its answer. Here we can see the specific type of watch has been identified as a mechanical wristwatch. AI read it off the dial, not the paperwork. Source photos are linked. The reviewer didn't have to go and find them. AI analysis doesn't stop at reading what's visible, because here we can see the coverage limit. Based on the watch's identity as a vintage Zenith El Primero, its condition, and a web lookup, AI estimates a replacement value between $15,000 and $23,000, placing it in a standardized $15,000 to $30,000 tier. That estimate was reached by looking at the photos, not the paperwork. We'll see why that matters in a moment. Now AI reads the supporting documents. Here, a guarantee card was submitted. Rolex purchased in June 2021. And here's the warning: document to item mismatch. The guarantee card says Rolex, but the dial says Zenith. AI flagged it at 100% confidence and explained exactly why. But notice what it didn't do. AI analysis identified the manufacturer as Zenith because it didn't blindly follow the submitted paperwork. The serial number is empty because it refused the documented Rolex serial number, and none of the submitted photos of the Zenith watch contained a serial number. The production era reads 1969 to 1972, even though the documented warranty card shows a purchase date of 2021. It didn't take a 2021 purchase date at face value and instead referenced the source photos of the watch model. Every field stays grounded in what the photos actually showed and then are cross-checked against the submitted documentation. AI surfaces the findings, but the reviewer makes the final call. Fields can be accepted, overridden, or flagged, but the decision stays with your team. AI analysis is available now in Truepic Vision. To see how AI analysis can be configured for your use case, visit truepic.com or contact us to schedule a more in-depth demo.